You've seen the movies, a hooded figure typing furiously in a dark room. But is that really who hacks? You might be surprised by the truth. Let's bust a myth right away. Hacking isn't just something criminals do. In fact, hacking is more about how you think than what you break into. It's about curiosity, logic, and pushing boundaries. Sometimes for good, sometimes not. So, who actually hacks? Types of hackers. 1. Black hat hackers. These are the bad guys, the ones you hear about in data breaches, ransomware attacks, or bank frauds. They exploit vulnerabilities in systems to steal, destroy, or cause chaos. Think of them like digital burglars. 2. White hat hackers. Also known as ethical hackers. They use their skills to help organizations find and fix vulnerabilities before the bad guys get there. Many are certified professionals working in cybersecurity companies or as consultants. 3. Gray hat hackers. They're in between. Maybe they hack into a system without permission but don't do damage. Instead, they report the flaw. It's still technically illegal, but their intent isn't malicious. 4. Hacktivist groups like Anonymous use hacking for political or social causes. They may target governments or large corporations to protest injustice or promote freedom of information. 5. Script kiddies. Beginners using tools or code they didn't write themselves. They often don't understand how things really work but can still cause damage or get caught easily. 6. State-sponsored hackers. These hackers work for governments. Their missions can include spying, sabotage, or cyber warfare. China, Russia, the US, and North Korea are known for cyber ops. What motivates hackers? Money. Black hats often steal credit card info, deploy ransomware, or run phishing scams to get paid. Challenge. Some just want to test their skills, prove a point, or see if they can break in. Activism. Hacktivists are motivated by ideology, political causes, free speech, or exposing corruption. Reputation. In underground circles, being the one who cracked a major system gives serious bragging rights. Career. For white hats, hacking is a legit, respected job. Big tech companies pay hackers to find bugs. Real-world examples: Kevin Mitnick, once the FBI's most wanted hacker, now a cybersecurity consultant. Marcus Hutchins stopped the WannaCry ransomware attack, later revealed he wrote malware in his youth. Women hackers, women like Parisa Tabriz, known as Google's security princess, are leading the field. How you can become a hacker ethically. Start by learning networking and programming. Python is a great language to begin with. Practice with CTFs. Capture the flag challenges. Use platforms like Hack the Box or tryhackme. Earn certifications like CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker. Never hack without permission. Always stay ethical. Final thoughts. The next time someone says hackers are criminals, correct them. The hacking world is wide, with heroes, villains, and everything in between. It's not about the hoodie, it's about the mindset.